Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to download an invoice in Amazon Shopping. Now an invoice is pretty much not dedicated for normal buyers, but some buyers like who buys with the name of the company, who buys for something professional, or would like to have their invoice between their hands so they can pay the taxes later on in the year. They need to actually download an invoice from Amazon, which usually doesn't come with one when you actually buy from it. So how can we bind the invoice directly, like download the invoice directly? So there is a way which simply you could go to Amazon customer service and simply you could ask this question, like invoice. So how can we print an invoice? So we can do this, and here we'll find multiple amounts of basically invoices, Amazon physical store receipt, print an Amazon gift card. There is many invoices that you can actually get. So let's go through them. For example, how we can print a simple invoice. You can print an invoice for your order in your account as soon as your order is shipped. So once you order an order, when the order is placed, you cannot really have the invoice unless the product itself and the order has been shipped. So once it is in the shipped mode, which you can simply check by clicking on orders right here, you will be able to check the order and basically select the order that you want, select invoice underneath the order number, then select print this page for your records on the top of the order summary. Then select your browser's print button, and that's pretty much it. It's very easy and simple, guys. It's not really complicated. All you need to do is to have an order that has been already shipped and then click on it, print the page, and there you go. And yeah, that was completely it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.